Hello, welcome to today's video. I'm Sarah. This is No BS Beauty. I've got my Cyber Monday picks. I've got my cyber shirt on. It's shiny. I love shiny things. If it sparkles or shines, I'm all over it. And it's probably not necessarily, it's probably more meant for like a 15 or 20-year-old, but I love it shiny and sparkly. So anyway, yeah, it's friggin' cold out. We've gotten down into the single digits already. Although the other day when we got back from Nashville, so before we left, we turned our furnace down to like 55 degrees, and it's actually like connected to the internet. So of course we got home and realized, gee, we should have turned it up, but we didn't. So when we got home, it was 55 degrees in our house for like a long time. And then I took a nice hot shower, because after I get off an airplane, I have to shower. I just can't stand that feeling. And it was so cold in the bathroom that I couldn't put my moisturizer on because I was just like freezing, shivering, and my skin got so dry and like flaky. It was just, ugh, yeah. So it's cold outside. But anyway, on today's video, I just got some picks for Cyber Monday. I did some picks for Black Friday. And today I thought I'd do some picks on Cyber Monday and then highlight some of the sales I didn't, because it's kind of the last chance. And a couple of these are some really good deals. So if there's anything you noticed that's a good deal, leave a comment below. There's some good sales going on. So, okay, first one I've got is Target, 25% off select beauty products, including a couple of things I wanted to mention. The Aquaphor is regularly $6.29. It's really not that expensive, but now it's $4.70. So it's a kind of a good deal, and Aquaphor is a really nice product. It really how many ingredients are in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's great for like if you did like a laser treatment or had an esthetician peel or something like that. It's really nice because it's a very minimal ingredient list. And after I did one of the laser treatments for a while, I can't remember what she called it, but it was something with the Photona laser. But for like a week, I had these little boxes. And I thought, oh my gosh, what if this heals? And it looked like I have little squares all over my neck. And it healed, but I tried to put on something else after that to soothe it. And I think the preservatives or slip ingredients or something in it caused it to be irritating. So I wiped it off and I put the Aquaphor on, and then it was all good. So they also have a Festive Lipcare Discovery Kit with full-size lip products, regularly $20 now, $15. It looks like a really good gift. It's got lip products from e.l.f., NYX, Vaseline, and then it's got lip scrubber treatment too, which I don't know. My lips are never that flaky where a scrubber would help, but maybe for some people. There's a BYOMA Mini Heroes gift set that's really $25. It's now $18.75. It's got a 5-piece routine with cleanser, serum, moisturizers, eye cream from the brand BYOMA, which is pretty friendly for most skin types. Not every single product is friendly, but most of them are, especially the key products. And then Vanicream is also on sale. They've got the Daily Facial Moisturizer. They've got the Facial Cleanser. And the Daily Facial Moisturizer, regularly $13. Now it's $9.74. I have my dad using the stuff too. He's got pretty sensitive skin as well. So, okay, next up, Thrive Cosmetics. They make my favorite mascara, the one I'm wearing today. The one I'm wearing pretty much most days, almost every day. The Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. Now they have it in several different shades. It's a tubing mascara, and I will warn you, I used to love trying different mascaras out. I mean, every brand has, 3, 4 different flagship mascaras these days. I used to love trying ones out. And after using this one, it took any joy of testing any other mascara out. There is no joy in it because so far, nothing is compared to this one. The only thing that's slightly compared is the one from Milani. Let me see if I can find it. Here it is. This is their highly rated lash extensions. This is the only one that can compare, and yeah, so it does take the joy out of it. But this is I typically buy mascara from this brand a couple times a year. This is always one of them because it's on sale for 20% off, but the kicker is free shipping. So a lot of times they'll have sales on it, but not free shipping. Then it kind of makes up for any sale you might get without having, if you have to pay for the shipping. But the free shipping is the clinch key in this one. So check it out then. It's really $26. It's now $20, and the free shipping is very important. Soko Glam, 50% off certain skincare brands. So they have CosRx for 50% off. So we've got a lot of their goodies out there that are half off. Claire's 45% off. Benton 50% off, 45% off. I'm From, and then up to 50% off Neogen Dermology. So some good deals there. Next up is Regimen Labs and Regimen Lab, and they have a new product called their Azelaic Advanced Serum. So right now they have 35% off sets and 15% off all products, and then a cute little gift with purchase. This is like Phyto Drops. I'm gonna have to check out and see what those are. I don't really remember. But if you haven't tried their new Azelaic acid, this just came out. Or check out their Level Serum. Where is it? It's somewhere around here. Well, anyway, check out their Level Serum. It's wonderful. And I'm just starting to play with this one, and it's really nice. Oh, I'll do a little thing, because it's different texture than I was expecting. It's very liquidy. There you go. Very liquidy, but nice. So sometimes Azelaic acid comes in like a cream formula, and you can use it late in your routine. This one you want to use very, very upfront in your routine. Okay, Space NK has 25% off, including sets. They have three different sets. They have a Drunk Elephant set, the Coast is Clear Night set, which is regularly $99. It's now $74. It includes a full-size Lala Retro Whipped Cream. Well, I guess I have the... this isn't it, but this is a new dupe from Sienna Rose. But it's got a Beste Jelly Cleanser, and then 2 mini sizes of the TLC Framboos Glycolic Serum and Ceramighty AF Eye Balm. They also have a Sunday Riley set, which includes their ceramic slip cleanser, pink drink essence, which I didn't love, is very scented, CEO brightening serum, CEO vitamin C and turmeric face oil, which I enjoy, Good Genes glycolic treatment, autocorrect eye cream, and Afterglow vitamin C gel cream. And then they also have a Youth to the People sample set, which is regular $65. It's now $48, and you get some of their smaller size products, which if you're going to use Youth to the People, getting their smaller size products is the way to go, because they don't use a lot of preservatives, and this brand tends to go bad or go south fast. So if you don't finish it quickly, it will end up becoming unusable. Okay, at Ulta Shark, they have the Dyson Dupes product. They have them for 30% off, and Dyson also, or not Dyson, Shark also has a handful of new products, new devices we're checking out, so they're all 30% off. And this is, I love this one. So this is their Flex style, but it's also a dryer, and then it's got several different attachments, or you can just make it a dryer, if I remember how to do it. I usually just use it as a curling iron. Hang on, I know this makes a dryer. Well, I haven't really used it for a dryer. You can tell that, can't you? There is a way to do it. Well, there we go. Makes a dryer. And it's got like 5 or 6 other different attachments. So this one's normally, I think, $300, and now it's like $220. So check it out. I love this. When my hair is still wet in the morning, that's one of my favorite curling irons, or my only curling iron, hair iron that I use. And it's got these, so it acts like a Dyson thing. Okay, next up, Peach and Lily is 30% off site-wide with code CYBER30. It includes a lot of new releases, which I'm guilty of purchasing. So they've got new releases, their Hydro Bubble Cleanser, Velvet Biome Soothing Silky Ointment, their Bio Rice Wine Softening Treatment, and their Rice Dough Smoothing Facial Scrub. And then they also have their I think it's their Retinol for All, or it's their Retinol for All, I think, is also 50% off. So I'm guilty. I picked up a couple of the new Peach and Lily things because I typically end up really enjoying them. So I already ordered it. Okay, 2 more. Next up, QVC has Cyber Sale, which includes a nice set from Tatcha, which is normally $357. It's now $294, but you get a good deal. You get the Essence, which I absolutely love. I've repurchased this one multiple times. So it's got the full size of all of these, the Essence, the Cleansing Oil, the Rice Polish Classic, the Serum Stick, the Kissu Lip Mask, the Ageless Enriched Renewing Cream, and the Ageless Revitalizing Eye Cream, which is an incredible set. So, and if you haven't tried their Essence, it's wonderful. Their Cleansing Oil is great as well. There's also a Clinique Trio, which is regular $67. It's now $22.98. And it's got a 100-hour moisture surge cream, an All About Eyes eye cream, and a high impact mascara. So I will link to that below. And then they also have a Josie Maran set, which includes the Argan Milk and the triple hydroxy exfoliant, which I have not tried from them. It's regularly $84. It's now $69. But I do love the argan milk. It's amazing. If you haven't tried it, you have dry skin. It was one of the first things that really, really helped my skin. And then last but not least, I've mentioned this a few times, but I thought I'd mention it one more time because it clears my conscience. Because if this isn't sold out by the end of the day, I'm going to order myself one more. But I want to make sure everyone gets a chance to order it first. So I'm only doing this to clear my conscience because I will be buying this. And Cameron says, please order it. Dermstore, 30% off with code JOY. And they have a Best of Dermstore travel kit, which is normally $100. $65. Includes several full-size products, including a full-size one of these guys, which is normally $130 some in and of itself. So I had to order one because I'm almost done with this one. You can see it's almost totally gone. And then it's also got other full-size products. Murad, Cellular Repair Cream is IOS Clinical is clinical. Face Wash, Medicate, Retinol Serum, and Sunday Riley, and more. So if by the end of the day they're not sold out, I'm ordering myself another one because it pays for itself just in this one, just in half a bottle of this. So, okay, now I feel good. My conscience is clear. If it's not sold out, I'm buying the rest. Okay. Anyway, those are my picks for Cyber Monday. Interested if you guys have any picks or anything else or any shopping lists, leave a comment below. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys more tomorrow. Okay, bye guys.